Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit and today we have a question about Asian Paint. How to have a short term and long term trade in Asian Paint, and we'll look into that. But before that, my standard disclaimer. This is only educational video. Always check with your financial advisor before doing any equity investment, is always subjected to risk. Alright, so here we have around 9-month daily chart of Asian Paint. I'm using Ichimoku along with MACD here. So here we can see MACD is making a slight buy signal here, though it's not a strong buy signal. And at this point it took a support around 3060 level. So if it again comes down to around 3060 level, then it becomes a buying opportunity with couple of percent stop, and the target can be around 3300, which is 7 to 8% of gain. So that is a one trade setup that we can see. Okay, another trade setup that I'm talking about is a long-term setup. So this is, we can see RSI started moving up and again it started coming down. So so if this support 3060 support, if this breaks, then the next support only comes somewhere here around 2650. So here we can see this is around 2600 odd level again here. So we can see little high 2650 is the support here. And from this price we can expect upside movement towards this triple top, 3550 level. Okay, so from this price first resistance will come around this price 3060, then it should come at 3300, and then it should come at 3550. So if you get somewhere around 2650, we can expect 30 to 35% gain from this price, around 900 point of gain. That should come in between 6 to 10 months. Okay, so yeah, other thing we look into overall mutual fund holding, and we can see it's going up 3.3 and now it's moving to 3.52 crores. So yeah, it's moving up. In terms of individual scheme, chemical company, nearly 199 schemes are holding, and some of the schemes are holding up to 84 lakhs here. So if you multiply by 3500, it comes to nearly 3000 crore worth holding. Okay, so yeah, I'll conclude here. If we get something around 2650, it can be hold for a target of 3300 and 3550, and from this price we should be seeing at least 30 to 35% upside in 6 to 10 months. So that's all for today guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.